Huawei is expected to launch two new Nova series smartphones in China before the end of this month, Nova 5 and Nova 5i. Huawei's upcoming Nova 5 series has recently appeared on TENAA, revealing almost all its key specifications. Huawei also released a teaser video for its upcoming Nova 5 series on its Weibo page. While the Nova 5i is expected to be a mid-range offering, the Nova 5 will be a flagship-grade product that may be launched in India to take on the likes of ASUS 6Z and OnePlus 7 in the Indian market. So hey folks, this is Samir and here is everything you need to know about the Huawei Nova 5. Excited? So let's get started. Let's start with the specifications. According to a recent leaked spec sheet of the device, Nova 5 will sport a 6.39-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with an under-display fingerprint scanner. Powering the Nova 5 will be a 7nm Kirin 980 octa-core processor, the same chipset that powers the company's Mate 20 and P30 series flagship phones. Its 3900 mAh battery may carry support for 40W rapid charging. It could also be featuring a front-facing camera of 25 megapixels. The Nova 5 will feature a triple camera setup on its rear. It may also include a 48 megapixel primary lens, a 12.3 megapixel wide-angle lens and a time-of-flight sensor. Talking about the design, the Nova 5 will carry the punch-hole design factor as the Nova 4 smartphone. On the front, it will have a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display and bezels are quite minimal with a screen-to-body ratio of around 92%. At the back panel, there will be a vertically aligned triple rear camera setup just like the P30 series. Also, the back will be made up of glass with subtle gradient design that looks amazing and it's quite common nowadays. At last, if we talk about the release date and pricing, then the company has just confirmed through a teaser that the Nova 5 series will be launching on 21st June. As for the pricing, this smartphone will hit the market soon and will be available for an approximate price of $500. So guys, are you excited for the Nova 5 series? Do let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And for more future videos like this, do consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any future videos from Extreme Droid. So this is Samir signing off and I'll see you guys in my next one.